How many years? Do you want to put a year on it, a range?
Sure, we can try, right? We can definitely try. When you look at the business cycles in the U.S., the business cycles in the U.S. average 10 years. Now, that sort of, the last couple, right? So you can certainly point to 5. But, maybe you say the average is extending over time. Australia hasn't had a recession in, we used to say 18 years, and that was, I feel like, a couple of years ago. So it's probably 20 years. So it doesn't mean that 10 years has to be the end of the cycle. I mean, in some ways, they were just correlated with events like the financial crisis and the dot-com bubble, right? Which those were the crisis-ending events, not just time. So, but if you wanted to put time on it and say, okay, the last 2 cycles were 10 years, so let's go with that as a theory. Let's call 2022 the cycle start in that. I called it a hard soft landing or a soft hard landing, but let's call it a landing and say that the next recession will be in 2032, which is quite a ways off, which means we're not even maybe at mid-cycle yet, which means that you don't know what mid-cycle earnings are.